Residence by investment. Investment. Processing time. Key benefit. Australia. Minimum contribution of 2.5 million Australian dollars under the investor stream. 12 months. Approximately 5 years to citizenship. Austria. Minimum €40,000 liquid funds, German language skills, permanent accommodation, private healthcare insurance, and financial independent means. 3 months from submission of the application to approval. The right of free movement to Austria, the rest of the EU, and Europe's Schengen area. Cyprus. Minimum investment of €300,000 under a Regulation 6.2 application. Processing time of 2 months, or 18 months under a Category F application. The right to live and study in Cyprus. Canada. Government bond contribution of $1.2 million Canadian dollars under the Quebec Immigrant Investor Program, QIP. 48 to 56 months. Eligibility for citizenship after 3 years, or 1,095 days, of physical presence out of a 5-year period. Greece. Real estate investment of €250,000. 2 months from submission of the application to approval. The right of free movement to Greece and Europe's Schengen area. Hong Kong. Applicants must complete a points-based test under the Quality Migrant Admission Scheme. For 8 months. Eligible to apply for permanent residence after 7 years. Italy. Minimum investment from €250,000 to €2 million. 3-4 months. The right to live, work, and study in Italy. Malaysia. A bank deposit of $300,000, approximately $68,000 for applicants below 50, or $150,000, approximately $34,000 for applicants above 50 years old. 3-6 months. A 10-year multiple entry visa enabling the applicant and their family to live in Malaysia. United Kingdom. £50,000. 8 weeks from submission of the application to approval. The right to live, work, and study anywhere in the United Kingdom. United States of America. $800,000. Varying processing time. Citizenship after 5 years of legal residence. Switzerland. Minimum annual taxes of 250,000 Swiss francs, dependent on the applicant and the canton of residence. 3-6 months. The right to live and study in Switzerland. Thailand. Minimum application fee of THB 600,000, approximately $19,000. 2-3 months. Long-term, privilege multiple entry permit as well as luxury, VIP treatment. Spain. Minimum investment of €500,000. Approximately 20 days for the immigration procedure. The right to live, work, and study in Spain, and free movement to the EU and Europe's Schengen area. Singapore. 2.5 million Singapore dollars into a business, fund, or single-family office. 9-12 months. Eligibility for citizenship after 2 years of permanent residence. Portugal. Minimum contribution of €200,000. Over 6 months. The right to live, work, and study in Portugal. Panama. Minimum investment of $100,000. 30 days under the qualified investor route, or 4-6 months under the friendly nations and forestry investor routes. The right of free movement to Panama. New Zealand. Minimum contribution of $3 million New Zealand dollars. 5-6 months under an Investor 1 resident visa. Eligibility for citizenship after 5 years of residence. Latvia. Minimum investment of €50,000. 3 months from submission of the application to approval. The right to live, work, and study in Latvia. Mauritius. Minimum real estate investment of $375,000. 2-6 months. The right to live, work, and retire in Mauritius. Luxembourg. Minimum contribution of €500,000. Approximately 6 months. Visa-free access to the EU and Europe's Schengen area. Malta. Minimum contribution of €175,000. Mixed capital requirements. Processing time of 4-6 months from submission of the application to approval. The right to freedom of movement to Malta and the rest of the EU and Europe's Schengen area. Jersey. Annual tax contribution. Varying. Well-regulated and mature finance and trust industry.